Hi, third grade, and welcome to Module 4, Lesson 2. So, as always, don't forget, I'm going to slide this over just a little bit. Sorry for the wiggle. Put your name at the top. So make sure you put your name at the top. So this is a review of multiplying by 4. So count by 4s. So you're going to fill this out at the top for counting by 4s. Then down here, you're going to do your multiplication for 4s. So remember, when you're doing multiply by 4, you're counting over. This is your 4, so you're going to count over however many it says. So for this one, 4 by 3, well, we're counting by 4s. We're going to count over 3 spaces. So 1, 2, 3. That's going to be counting by 4s. Feel free to watch any of the videos in math if you need a little practice on your skip counting. We're going to pop right down here at question number 1. It says, do these rectangles have the same area? Why or why not? So let's count this one out. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one has an area of 9. This one has an area of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if this one has an area of 9 and this one has an area of 10, do they have the same area? No. One rectangle, and the rectangles are right here if I need it. Rectangle has a larger area. So one of the rectangles is larger than the other. So this one says, draw a different rectangle with the same area. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This has an area of 8 squares. So I'm going to do mine like this. I'm going to do one long one. You can do however you want to, but we want to have the same area. So I did one long one. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was terrible. It's not equal at all. It should be equal pieces, just like when we do with math. But I did it in pen, which I hate doing math in pen. But you can do it too. There's many different ways you can do this. So make sure when you're doing this one, your rectangle, however you draw it, is going to have an area of 8. All right. So this says find the area of the shape. So we're going to count the units. So go ahead and count the units and see how many total units we have. I'm not going to tell you the answer here. Count the total number of squares and right there and how many square units it is. Same thing here. Area equals how many square units. So here we're going to count these up. And you're going to do how many square units there are. And you're going to write the answer there. So I'm going to come down here to the last problem. So you got to do those. I'm not going to fill them in, but you need to answer those. Hugh says his shape has a bigger area than Jane's because it is longer. Is he right? Explain. So I'm going to read it again. Hugh, that's this guy here, says his shape has a bigger area because it's longer than Jane's. Is he right? So he's right. His is longer, but let's count out our area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That has an area of 6 square units. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ah, this has 6 square units. I was going to write out square units here, but square units. So it also has square units. So actually, their area is not different. It is exactly the same. So is his area bigger? No, he is not right. No, they have the same number. And remember, you can pause this at any time, of square units. So they are the same. Don't forget, you need to finish these two and the top on your own. I hope you had a great day and learned a lot in math today.